In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Amazon affiliate account. So if you want to start earning commission by promoting Amazon products, then we first need to go and create an Amazon Associates account. Now, the easiest way to do this is just by heading over to a Google search engine and typing in Amazon Associates and pressing enter. Now, you'll need to click on this first website, which is affiliate_program.amazon.com. Now, just bear in mind that this will be signing you up to the Amazon.com website, which is essentially US products. If you want to sign up to something like Amazon UK, then you'll need to do this individually on the Amazon.co.uk website. And it's essentially the same steps no matter what marketplace you go and sign up for. I would recommend starting with .com as it is the biggest marketplace, and you can always sign up for the additional countries later on. So once you're on this website, we're just going to click on the sign up button, and then you can begin by either signing in to your Amazon account. If you don't already have an Amazon account, click on create your Amazon account at the bottom. I'm just going to sign in to an already existing account. So once you're signed in, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and you'll need to select who the main contact is for your account. So I've already added my address and my details above, so I'm just going to select next. Now you'll need to go and enter either your website or your mobile app where you're going to be promoting these Amazon products to. So if, for example, you're going to be promoting Amazon products on a website, then you can obviously just add the link to it down here and click on the add button. If, however, you don't have a website and let's say, for example, you're advertising products on YouTube or Instagram, then all you would need to go and do is add the link to either your YouTube channel or your Instagram or your Facebook page, or basically wherever it is that you're advertising these Amazon products. So once you have the link, click on add and then press next. Are any of the traffic sources directed at children under 13? You want to make sure the answer to this is no and press confirm. Now select your preferred associate store ID. So this is essentially going to be your affiliate tag. So I'm just going to type in my business name here and write a short description about the type of content that you create. So I'm going to type in YouTube content on how to fix applications. Doesn't need to be too in-depth here. You can just write a couple of sentences. Then scroll down and select which describes your content. So mine is going to be search, as most of my traffic comes from search. How did you hear about us? You can just select anything and then type in the characters that you see on the screen. Once you've done this, agree to the terms and conditions and press finish. And just like that, we've now created an account for Amazon Associates. So you can see this will be your Amazon Associates ID. And once you've set up your account, you'll basically have 180 days to make a single qualified sale. So if you don't make a sale through one of your affiliate links within this 180 days, it's basically going to automatically shut down and close down your account. So what we can do now is head back over to the official Amazon.com website. And now in the top navigation, you'll be able to find all of your affiliate information. So if I click on this get link button, this here is going to be our affiliate text link. So if I go and send this link to someone and someone comes over to Amazon and they end up buying a product, then we're going to receive commission from them clicking the link and buying a product through our Amazon link. Now, what I'd recommend doing is just going and searching for the product that you want to go and promote. So let's say, for example, I want to go and promote a microphone. You'll then need to go and select the product that you're creating this Amazon link for. Once you're on the product page, you'll see the commission rate in the top navigation here. So this one is 3%. We can then click on the get link button once again. And now you can go and copy this link and it will take someone directly over to this microphone. And just like before, if they go and end up purchasing this microphone, then you'll receive a commission on this product. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.